Well, I love flowers, and I have a palette that I love to use. Um, but I think I've learned through the years that they need to play off of other they you can't have more you can't have a whole garden full of divas.
Right.
You know?
That's a good way of putting
Right.
it.
So one diva is enough, and then stars, and then the supporting actors. So
Okay,
the supporting actors are the boxwoods and things like that.
Okay, yeah.
And without them, it would just be a big flowery bouquet of mess.
Chaos.
Right.
Yeah, right.
So and the evergreens give you something to look at in the winter.
Yeah, that's nice.
And so when I'm designing, I design usually. I make a palette of what I want to use, flowery wise, but then I put in my evergreens first.
Okay.
And then once that is down, that framework is down, then I go and work around that framework.
Okay, design around that.
Yeah.
So, so the boxwoods, of course. What are some of your favorite flowers?
Oh, roses. There are some flowers I've learned to live without because of the deer.
Deer is a big problem here.
Deer are a big problem. So lilies and daylilies have been I've been substituting alliums and more grasses, more ferns, bee balm, things that the deer don't eat.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And learning to love
Right.
things that I didn't use before.
And even on a street like this, and in your front yard, you have deer right here.
Yeah.
I think of that as something that people who live in a more wooded setting deal with, but there are parks nearby, and so they come from there.
Right.
Yeah,
They're here.
They're bold.
They're here. They're hungry, and they're here.